Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make hundreds of dollars daily with a brand new Clickbank rival. And if Clickbank isn't available worldwide, which I believe it is, this place is. So you're going to want to stick around to see this brand new place, and I'm going to get you started on it here right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to today's video. As I told you before here, I'm going to show you a brand new place I found that rivals Clickbank, or could be a companion to Clickbank as well. In fact, some of the same products that you see on Clickbank are also available on this site. And this site is available worldwide. There's no question about it. In fact, it was made in Germany. And they've just recently opened up an office here in the United States back in December of last year. Alrighty, so anxious to get you started on that. First of all, my name is Kevin Lehner with kevin-lehner.com website. And if this is your first time here to my videos, what we do here is anything to do with making money online videos, how-to videos, affiliate marketing videos, and once in a while we throw a motivational video in there for you as well. And also, if this is your first time in my videos and or you've been here before and you still haven't yet subscribed to my channel, well, while we're talking about it, just go ahead and reach down there now and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this site. Always trying to bring out ways to bring financial and time freedom into your guys' lives with each and every money-making video that I upload to my channel. Okay, alrighty guys, well, let's go ahead and get in on this. I'm excited to show this to you. We're going to come over here to our favorite Opera browser, and we're going to load up this site right here. Have a look at this. You see it up here? It's called Digistore24 right here. You see it up here in the address bar, digistore24.com. As you can see right here in the security thing, it says Digistore24 GmbH. I don't know if I can bring that up closer or not, but a GmbH, that designates Germany. And as you look down here, it's more sales, less work, automate your workflows. You can also on this site be a vendor, just like with Clickbank. You can upload your products and sell them through your own sales funnel with upsells and downsells and so on and so forth, or you can be an affiliate with this site just like you can with Clickbank. Part right here is more for vendors. They're talking about vendors, people that want to sell products on this site, and they have the vendors here, and then this is for affiliates here. They're saying here for affiliates, that's probably what you want to be unless you're a vendor. You can also do this too, but most of us are affiliate marketers, such as myself. So it says you for affiliates, sales partners, affiliates, you can grow your business with commissions up to 70% on our marketplace, and they pay you weekly with German accuracy, it says. Okay, I don't know what that means or whatever, but, and it's 100% free to sign up for you there. You see that? 100% free. Now, some of the commissions on the products are even higher. I've seen it as high as 92% when I was doing a little research on this site after I signed up. Okay? But it talks about here you can sell more with them. We optimize your conversions with upsells, conversion tools, and split tests, and so on and so forth. Huge affiliate marketplace, Europe's largest affiliate network. So there you go, guys. It's available worldwide. Okay. So if Clickbank, you can't access Clickbank and work with it in your country, well, you certainly can with this site right here. Okay. Rapidly expanding into the U.S. They just came into the U.S., I believe it was in December, opened up an office in Florida. I'll show you that here in just a moment. And vendors, international affiliates will market your products around the globe, and affiliates up to 70% or more in commissions and conversion optimized products. Now, and then they got some testimonies here and so on and so forth. Complete reseller service. Sales in different countries, fraud prevention, so on and so forth, secured payment, and we automate your business, including invoicing, taxation, customer support, memberships, commission allocation, ticketing, and more. Some of the integrations, you guys, it integrates with GetResponse, MailChimp, Infusionsoft, Aweber, and some of these other places. So you can integrate your email marketing platforms with this site as well. In fact, I don't even know that Clickbank has that capability. They might, but I don't think I've ever seen it. But they do here, certainly at this website. Even Webinar Jam, you can do webinars off of this site as well. That's interesting. And U.S. Marketing Innovation meets German Engineering. And then it talks a little bit about their servers and so on and so forth. And then they're featured on the Wall Street Journal, Inc. and some of these popular places here. Some more testimonies. And then your customer's journey to the store. And they've got some frequently asked questions here. And it says the one that we would be interested in here would be, which payment methods are you offering to my clients, which would be affiliates if you were a vendor selling products on this site. We accept payment through Visa and MasterCard, SEPA Direct Debit, PayPal, and bank transfer and payment by invoice. So if you have a bank, all you need to do is enter in your routing number on your bank account and your bank account number, and they will pay you directly by ACH to your bank account on your commissions that you make. Okay, and then down here you can see, here's what I wanted to show you. Here is their address. You can see their address in Florida right here. Digistore24, 360 Central Avenue in St. Petersburg, Florida, United States. All right, so let's come up here and we want to check out the marketplace. It's easy enough to sign up. When you click on sign up, register now right here, or sign up, and you can click here and sign up as well. Which, oh, by the way, they do have their Trustpilot rating right here is a trust score of 4.5 stars under 837 reviews so far on this particular site for the United States here. So you can click on register right here, and it brings up their application right here, and you just fill in a username and then follow down through here and fill out your address and all that and information, your personal information here, and then you can register for free, and it will send you a confirmation email. So you're going to want to make sure you check that out, the email, so you can get your account confirmed with Digistore24 and begin to market their products. All right, so I've already signed in or logged or registered into this account, but if we were to go, for example, to the marketplace here, you can see right here. Look at this, guys, right here on the left. These are affiliate products, and it's all the same categories that you would see on Clickbank. All the very same. They have it all. Fitness and health, love and relationships. They have all the major three, which is health and wellness, relationships, and wealth, or making money online, whichever. All right here on this site as well. And they have even travel and culture, trading products, sports. All these are big niches, and you can get involved with those and sell the products. It lists the product when you click on it. These are some of the top rated products on the site here right now. For example, this HSV eraser. It's the best on the market. It's rated #1 sales rank on this site right now. You get a 75% commission with it, and you just would click on promote now, just like you would in Clickbank. You click promote, right, and it gives you your Clickbank affiliate link. It's the same thing here. After you get logged in with your account, you can click on any of the products and click promote, and then give you your affiliate link, and then you can just promote it and take it over to Bitly and shorten it up, because it is a little bit longer. So as you can see, look here, right here's one. Here's the Overnight Millionaire by Wesley Virgin, who this product is on Clickbank as well. And you see he's given a 92% commission right here on his product, and for each sale you can earn $44.60. You just simply click the promote now, and it shows a little bit of a breakdown down here on it, and also it has a link straight to the sales page here and the affiliate support page, and that is the same with each one of the products. What I like about this is this seems to be a little bit cleaner of a layout than Clickbank does, actually. The way they have things laid out here on what to look at. A little bit larger fonts and things like that. So now, well, how would you market these products? Well, how do you market it on Clickbank? You guys have seen my Clickbank videos, and I show you different ways to market these products. It's going to be no different with this site than it is with Clickbank. All right, same thing. You can pick a product in any one of these niches that you want here on the left, and you come over here to, like, for example, Facebook, and you can look up groups. I've just looked up groups on relationship. Relationship is one of the 3 major niches, and you can see you just join the groups and become active in the group, answering questions and so on and so forth, and then offer your product in your link, your Digistore24 link, just like you would do with Clickbank as well. Another place, of course, is on Instagram. You see I'm already logged into my Instagram account here, and you would simply just put your affiliate link right down here in your bio. And then if you have an Instagram account, and begin to sell and market your Digistore24 products from Instagram. And you could also, of course, come over to medium.com. All of these sites have large amounts of traffic. We're talking in the hundreds of millions, right? You come over here to medium.com, sign in for free or get started for free, and put up a nice article related to a niche that you've picked or a product that you've picked, and you can get the free article, like off of Easing Articles or some site like that. It has articles already there. You can just use those articles and put your affiliate link from Digistore right at the bottom of the article, and there you go. There's a way to drive traffic to your Digistore24 affiliate products. All right, and then there's other places that you can market with, like Pinterest, Reddit, LinkedIn. I mean, all the major social platforms that you can put your links on and make sales and make hundreds of dollars a day just on Digistore alone. Alrighty, guys. Well, that's what I wanted to show you guys today, was how you can find out and come over to this new place called Digistore24 that's available to us here in the United States now, as of a few months ago. And you can also use it in combination with Clickbank and even double your money, of course, working from both platforms and marketing from Clickbank and Digistore, and just make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars online each and every day. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, that's what I wanted to show you, this really cool place here that you can get started making money with, okay? And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up there. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there below and click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And also, if you want to have your own online business and you want to quit fooling around with these low ticket offers like this, and you'd like to make high ticket sales, like up to $4,000 in one day, then you want to click that link down there. It says mentorwithkev.com. Come over and get signed up on my list. Check out the business at the end of my funnel and see if you could take the 15-day online business builder challenge, and if it fits for you and you can have your business up online in 15 days or less and be able to make $4,000 in just one day. Possibility with it. Alrighty? Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that. And I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Bye-bye now.